Developing now, a judge is on the other side of the law, but she is getting support. Today, hundreds came out protesting the charges against Milwaukee County Judge Hannah Dugan. The FBI says she obstructed justice and helped a wanted man escape ICE at the courthouse. Our Durante Matthews is live in the newsroom tonight. Durante, you're hearing from protesters and legal experts on this.
Yeah, that's right, Sam. See, protesters marched in front of the FBI building in St. Francis today, and they made it known that they believe Dugan did nothing wrong. Meanwhile, legal experts say there's still so much more to this case.
Some are calling it a sign of the times.
Thank you for coming out.
Now hundreds are coming out to show support for Milwaukee County Judge Hannah Dugan. FBI agents arrested Dugan on Friday. Earlier this month, prosecutors say the judge obstructed justice. Investigators say she helped Mexican national Eduardo Flores Ruiz evade ICE agents and escape from her courtroom. Court records show she heard ICE agents were in the hallway. A criminal complaint reads she sent the agents, who say they had an administrative warrant for Flores Ruiz, to the chief judge's office down the hall. Prosecutors say when she came back, she ushered Flores Ruiz and his attorney out of court through a non-public hallway.
Thank you so much, Judge Dugan, for showing bravery, but just for doing your damn job.
Supporters for Judge Hannah Dugan came out Saturday in unison. They marched and circled in front of the FBI building trying to send a message.
She did not obstruct justice. She obstructed fascism.
A stark contrast to Assembly Speaker Robin Vos, who sent this statement saying, quote, Judge Dugan's decision to hide a dangerous and illegal immigrant was irresponsible and put public safety at risk.
I think the issue is whether that, allegedly Judge Dugan was raising was whether the ICE officials had the proper authority that day.
Bridget Kuchma is an immigration attorney and former public defender. She says there are still a lot of questions to consider.
Where did this take place? Does the judge have domain over her sacred courtroom?
Questions that she says will make for a long legal battle.
And Kuchma says typically the next steps in the case of Flores Ruiz is to face an immigration officer where he could contest the reasons for his removal. Dugan is due back in court next month, federal court that is. A different judge is handling her court calendar in the meantime. Reporting live in the newsroom, Durante Matthews, Fox 6 News.
It's a story that has the nation's attention. I'm sure there's going to be plenty more developments. Durante, thanks. And this story has generated a lot of reaction from the public and from officials across the city, really around the country. You can visit the Fox Local mobile app to read through those statements and watch complete news conferences held Friday.